Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kubleye phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam dakasngi. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA2 hagasngi ba ar kala raiban pendamno ya ki artli ki power project ka Kynshi Stage-1 bar ka khri Stage-1 and 2 hadian bashem bakim ya hapshu hagajing pulut pisa. Habaya kran bakilat pathai khubor hadin gajing yalang juga kinhun menteri menteri rangba kajilla u Konrad ke sangma ulo ong bakini ki artli ki hydropower project ki dei ki blesoi kular da ka Sarkar Meghalaya barki company pinmi boarding la slembha. Ya ka Kynshi Stage-1 laya soy haus nem arajar nyo kat baya ka khri Stage-1 and 2 laya soy haus nem arajar khat ar bar arajar khat lai. Namar gajing bam yo pisa ban pentrei yigni ki project bar bakador kamur kala nangkiu bar kumju ru ya gajing shimpor jong ki company ban pentrei yaki ka kinhun menteri kala shim ya kalai bo on pynduh pendamno yakini ki artli ki project Kynshi Stage-1 bar khri Stage-1 and 2 ong ukonran. Henry ka Sarkar berkatunat badai kimi kinshim mardor ya kasenjam hak banwat iki weipat ki parlong lani le si berkiju ki parlong Henry hak ru kompen bet batmai namar kumbang ong kadauhi kalong bakini ki project kumbaki long mentahi kim ya hapshu bar kador balayabu ula ong
was to terminate two hydropower projects that was signed by the government of Meghalaya many years back. One is the Kynshi 1 hydroelectric project, and number 2 is the khri Stage-1 and Stage-2 projects. As you recall, that these two projects were in collaboration and tie-up with some private parties, but because of the financial non-viability of these projects or unviability of these projects, and the rates coming up too high, and also the time taken by the different companies to implement this, the decision was taken by the cabinet that both these projects, the Kynshi 1 project and the khri Stage-1 and 2 projects, will be terminated. But the government will, and the departments concerned will immediately move for looking for new partners, or maybe the same partners also in a new format. Because, as I said, the main reasons was that the project in its current forms were not looking or not viable in terms of the rates. But the new technologies that have come in, where pump storage and other facilities can be used, and also the combination of the water being released from one project and being used as a downstream for another project, like in the case of khri Stage-1 too. The projects also need to be changed. And hence the government will immediately, the department will immediately work in that aspect, and we hope that very soon we'll be able to have the expression of interest to move forward with these projects in its new form.